This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can change the video recording frame rate on this drone. At the start, enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, tap at the icon located below shutter button. Make sure that you are in the video shooting mode. Then select this second section at the top and go into video size. Now here, switch between different video recording resolutions to set whatever frame rate you would like to record your video at. As you can clearly see, not all definitions allow you to adjust the video recording frame rate. So for example, if you would like to record it at 4K, you will have to stick to 24 FPS. Or if you would like to record it like smaller 4K, you can switch between 24 frames per second and 30. But if you will go all the way down to Full HD here, you can now switch your frames per second anywhere between 24 and 120. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.